generators, and the barrier will fall?
A small section, yes.
Good enough. Johnson, drop the chief at the first generator, then head to the third. The elites will punch right down the middle.
Roger that.
Charlie, Foxtrot. Tower 1 approach is active AAA.
Mayday! I can't control her!
Pelican down! Pelican down!
Brace yourselves, we're going in a little hot!
Commander, this is Kilo 2-3. Lost my wingman and our only hog. Over.
Secure, Commander. Hostile anti-air has been neutralized.
Hold position. I'm on my way. Shipmaster, begin diversionary bombardment.
I will beat the Prophet's shield like a drum. By the time the barrier falls, he will beg for mercy.
Spark believes Truth can activate the rings at any time. If he does, Earth, every being in the galaxy, Halo will kill them all. Get to the first tower. Shut it down.
We have a ghost inbound! Ghost is wrecked! No! Hostiles down! Third tower in sight.
Good. The Arbiter and the elites have touched down at number 2.
Objective in sight! Watch for heavy armor!
inside that tower. Take it down.
Yeah! Now we're gonna start busting heads! Get in there and punch him out!
They're bringing reinforcements!
Let me on board! Ready when you are.
Last turret is online! Perimeter secure! Get inside that tower! Stick together! Check your corners!
Fire it well! Here he is! Help coming!
Hold it!
You're only here.
Flanks are weak! Go! Go!
More contact!
Fire in the hole!
Be careful!
You want some? Hey! Get me! I'm shooting dead guys!
Give them hell, people!
It's still there!
Yeah, let's do this!
I'm with you!
There! I'm coming!
I'm gonna get him out of there!
Keep pressing! Sir, go on. Tower control should be up top.
We own those fools.
I'm starting to feel pretty lucky.
We'll secure this location.
This is not...
Chief, find the tower controls and shut it down. Good work, Chief. That's one. The Arbiter should be just about to... That's 2. It's all up to Johnson's team now. Get back outside, Chief. Wait for transport. Johnson, come in. Over.
Reinforcements, man. We're pinned down.
I'm on my way.
Negative. Fire's too heavy. Everyone fall back. Now.
Sergeant Major! Johnson, can you hear me? Chief, you need to link up with the Arbiter and proceed directly to the 3rd tower. Make your way back to the beach.
Damn you!
Grenade! My best friend!
Hey, stop cleaning up my garbage, huh?
Orders is orders! That was hardly worth getting up for.
Get in, sir.
Let's go for a ride.
I'll drive.
Mount up!
Well, I hope this is a rental.
Sir, got a flight of birds that need an escort. Take the Hornet, get those Pelicans safely to the 3rd tower.
Let's ride! Shotgun! Give me the wheel! Give me a rein!
Understood. Chief, clear an LZ, then get inside the tower.
Flank them! Death to the wicked! Retreat! Retreat! Oh, don't lose sight of it! Babysitting is over. Darken this tower and the barrier will fall. Go, Spartan. We have no time to waste.
Chief, and the barrier will fall.
Now, Prophet, your end has come.
High Charity. By the gods, brace for impact!
Shipmaster, what's your status?
Significant damage. Weapons system disabled.
Move to a safe distance. Stay away from the flood.
Why would the parasite come here?
The Ark is out of range of all the active installations. Priority, we must contain this outbreak before...
No. First, we stop Truth. Then we deal with the flood.
Return from the dead!
Quickly, I must assess the damage to the Ark.
To the top of these hills, Oracle, no hiding. We cannot risk your capture by the flood.
Shipmaster's carrier is out of commission, Chief. I need you to take down Truth. The flood's just going to put pressure on him and accelerate his plans. Punch through the cliffs. Get inside that citadel.
sight! Troops are mobilizing everything they've got.
Oh, now that's just crazy.
Hold on to your britches.
All units, concentrate your fire on number 2. Down. Well done. Marines, kill the stragglers.
This platform hides a path.
Chief, Spark has found a way into the Citadel. He's waiting for you on the platform
die by my hands, not theirs.
Calamity! If only we had more time!
It asked, and I answered. For a moment of safety, I loosed damnation on the stars.
My faithful, stand firm. Though our enemies crowd around us, we tread the blessed path. In a moment I will light the rings, and all who believe shall be saved.
Chief, how close are you?
Not close enough.
That the best you got? Oh, come on. Impress me. Stop! You imbecile! He wants you to kill him. I'd prefer that you did not. What's the matter, big shot? Can't start your own party? I admit, I need your help. But that secret dies with all the rest.
Johnson, sound off.
Get out of here!
Not without you.
You delay the inevitable. One of you will light the rings. You cannot hope to kill them all.
You're right.
Do it. Me, then you. Now. No! Your forefathers wisely set aside their compassion, steeled themselves for what needed to be done. I see now why they left you behind. You were weak, and gods must be strong.
Do not shoot, but listen. Let me lead you safely to our foe. Only you can halt what he has set in motion.
could I have known the parasite would follow? Undoubtedly, this is the heretic's doing. A final bitter curse. Clear evidence of treachery long hidden. So far are we along the path that I must strain to hear the clumsy patter of their pursuit. Know this, my brothers. They may foul the way with their charred and broken bones, but they will not stop the journey.
Stop the rings. Save the rest.
Can you see, Arbiter? The moment of salvation is at hand.
It will not last.
Your kind never believed in the promise of the sacred ring.
Lies for the weak. Beacons for the deluded. I will have my revenge. On a prophet, not a plague.
My feet tread the path. I shall become a god.
You will be food. Nothing more.
No! I am truth. The voice of the Covenant.
So, you must be silenced. Headstones pushed aside. Corpses shift and offer room. A fate you must abide. We trade one villain for another.
Back to the lift. Find a way down.
I'm a thief, but I keep what I steal.
What do you see? Replacement. The ring you destroyed.
When did you know?
Just now. But I had my hopes. What will you do?
Light it.
Then we are agreed. A tactical post will completely eradicate the local infestation. I will personally oversee the final preparations, though it will take time to fabricate.
How will you light